so today we're going to start lesson 7-8, and this one is all about solving division measurement problems. And there's a lot of tough stuff here, so we're going to start on page 248. And I don't think that's part of your assignment, but I just figured I'd go through some of those as well with you, okay? So it says, the fourth graders at Basilone Elementary School voted to hold their spring celebration at a local skating rink. The fourth grade student council is in charge of renting the skating rink and planning the celebration. Help the student council make plans by answering the questions below. Number 1, the skating rink can be rented for a full or a half session, which is half as long as a full session. The full session is 7 hours and 30 minutes. The student council wants to rent the skating rink for a half session. How many minutes long is a half session? And so it's asking us in minutes. So we're going to convert those 7 hours and 30 minutes into minutes. So 7 hours and 30 minutes. Okay? So for 7 hours, to find that out, we need to do 7 times however many minutes are in an hour. And we know there's 60 minutes in an hour. So we have 7 groups of 60 minutes. Okay, so we need to do 7 times 60, and we're going to add that to those 30 minutes. Okay? So 7 times 60, so I know 7 times 6 is 42. So 7 times 60 is 420 plus 30 equals 450. And so I know that full session is 450 minutes. But if the half session is exactly half of that, then we need to split that 450 into 2 groups. So, let's see, where's my eraser? Well, so I would take 450 and I would divide that by 2. Okay? So I know 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 200 is 400. And then I have 50 left after subtraction. And I know 2 times 20 is 40. So 2 times 20 is 40. And I subtract there with 10 left. And 2 times 5 is 10, and I subtract. And so I know each half session is 225 minutes. Okay, so the answer to number 1 would be 225 minutes. And to create that equation, it would be 7 times 60 plus 30, and then that whole thing divided by 2 equals what? Okay, oh, and that is it for number 1. So go ahead and try the rest of those on that page if you'd like to, and you can check your answers. And then we will go over page 249 next. Okay, bye guys.